These are my best friends, my ride or die since forever. We've been manifesting a trip together for years. And guess what? It's finally happening. After countless emotional speeches to our parents, we finally got the green signal. And now we are going on a trip to Pondicherry.
Hi guys, so today morning we skipped our breakfast and we are here for our lunch at the Indian Coffee House, which is apparently a very famous place in Pondicherry, suggested by our local tour guide. It is so freaking hot in Pondicherry. This is not the glow on my face, this is all sweat, so yeah. We rode 10 kilometers and came to Auroville, and we are gonna do pottery right now. I'm so excited. Do you have something to say?
Yeah, I'm excited too.
Do you have something to say?
I'm doing pottery for the first time, so very excited.
Yay!
I'm so excited to try pottery today. It looks so therapeutic, like the perfect slow escape from the fast moving world.
You need to have a base, on the pot. If you have a base, you need.
Okay, this feels so calming. The clay, the wheel, the quiet focus, it's like everything else just fades away.
Okay, how was pottery for you guys?
It was so fun.
So good.
Fun.
It is so difficult to control clay. My god. But then eventually we got how it is done and we improved so
we
much.
had so much fun. Bagya did not stop making money.
Yeah.
I loved it. I'm going to go for another pottery class in Coimbatore.
And tomorrow we are going to come back here to collect our
Collect
pieces.
what we made.
You told that,
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
We can.
Okay guys, so we came to this cafe and according to us, our budget, everything is expensive. Yeah, but then we decided that throughout the trip we are going to go to one expensive cafe and we are not going to look at the rates, just order what you want to eat and have it. Yeah, so this is that cafe for us. Apart from this, our entire trips meals are going to be street food, dosa, takali sadon, sambar sadon, meals.
Cup noodles.
Guys, we are planning to get pasta, but let me tell you which pasta we are planning to get. This one. Aglio olio. Aglio olio. What are we supposed to tell the waiter? Anna, idu unnena. Idu unnena.
We were very hungry, so we ordered one pesto pasta and one smoky chicken pizza and 2 drinks.
We had so much food and we are so full. The food was 10 on 10 by the way. Yes. Except the cold coffee. Everything was 10 on 10. Yeah, so nice cafe. We played with cats and at 5:30 they also let us play with dogs. So guys, so we managed to get to the beach before sunset. We actually rode for 10 kilometers again and we managed to get here before the sunset, but the sunset is not happening on this beach, it's happening on that side. So we kind of missed it. This side it's plain like water and sky, but anyways.
Tomorrow we'll watch sunrise.
Not sun chapati, only sunrise. Guys, it has been one of our dreams to watch.
One of my dreams. What are
our dreams, okay? Our dreams to watch the sunset together. But as I told before, there is no sun setting over here. At least we are able to spend some quality time together. How do you feel about it?
I'm so happy. I love beaches.
She loves beaches.
Beaches.
And what about you?
I like beaches, but I love mountains.
Okay guys, so we came to Aarti's hotel to have some juice. It's so hot even at night. I cannot.
It's so hot.
Watermelon juice, fresh lime juice. Ah, it's so nice. As you all saw, Indie cats are way better, smarter, friendlier and cuter than Persian cats. That's my personal opinion and my friends also agree with me, so yeah. Guys, so we are at the French colony and this place is so beautiful. All the spots are so photogenic. Oh my god. And when we upload pictures on Insta, our grid is gonna look exactly same. Yeah. So now we're going to this shop. It looks so pretty and aesthetic. This place is so aesthetic. We have a lot of things planned for today and hopefully
We complete everything.
yes, that is the aim. We've planned a lot of things and as tourists we want to cover as many destinations as possible. So currently we are just looking for pretty places for pictures.
Then we met with a street photographer who offered to click our pictures, charging 40 rupees for each picture. The photos turned out pretty great. We selected the pictures that we liked and he shared it with us.
Lifesaver in this hot weather. Buttermilk. We are back at Auroville to collect our pots that we made yesterday. So excited.
Is there.
So guys, we just came to Serenity Beach for lunch and there is a line of small seafood restaurants, and personally I love seafood and I'm very excited to try it out, and I asked them to make it extra spicy. So yeah, there's a beach view as you guys can see, and I personally love going to small restaurants. Such restaurants are very underrated because they have such good food, and I'll tell you guys how I like it after I finish eating. I've always wanted to try squid and this is my first time. As you guys can see, squid.
1 hour later.
I like the texture. It's very chewy. I like it.
At first we planned to go kayaking, but it's not allowed inside the mangrove forest, so we switched to boating instead.
We finally made it to mangrove forest boating. We are at the front of the boat and she's not joining us.
She's sitting Tanya. We called her, but she's not joining us.
Ours was last minute, so they gave us at a discount is what they are saying.
But I know for a fact we are being scammed.
Yeah, not really scammed, but they are like overcharging us.
Because I broke my leg.
Yeah, sure. Her bar, every fucking
You think I
time.
didn't break my leg?
I don't think
You think I have balance in that leg?
In such a beautiful place, they choose to argue. And they choose to fall. for me. Is that true?
No.
We just completed mangrove boating and it was amazing.
So good.
So good, yeah. And even the boat guy was very kind. He helped us click pictures. And we found one kind guy in Pondicherry. They're very humble. Yeah. Yeah, true. Very true. We just reached Sand Dunes Beach and this has to be the best beach we have gone to so far in Pondicherry because there are a lot of water activities and that's what I'm excited for. So we're gonna do slingshot and we're gonna do that thing. I don't know what that's called. Yeah. So we're gonna do all that, but the problem is that all the water activities close at 6 PM and it's 6:20 at the moment, but we are gonna try our luck and give it a shot. Hopefully it works out for us, but I'll let you guys know.
A few moments later.
Bad news. We were 5 minutes late for that water activity that I showed you. I told them, Anna, please, na, please. Yadachu pandinga na 10 minutes mattum. But then everything was wrapped up. They were like 5 minutes munadi vanda kuda we could have done something, but unfortunately our luck was bad. Nothing can be done at this point. Now we're gonna try our luck at slingshot. Please hope for the best.
More moments later.
We did not get to do slingshot as well because 6 o'clock everything closes. I thought it was just the water activity, but sadly everything is closed. But at least we got to see a nice sunset.
Guys, they thought of doing the slingshot, but unfortunately that is closed because they came very late. See the time?
Very late, nahi, only half an hour late.
Half an hour late, but today is weekday. Someone is doing para motoring, I guess. So 3,500 per person.
We came to the rock beach to watch the sunrise, but unfortunately it was cloudy, so we just took a walk along the beach.
Remove this belly. If you want to fall alone. Not with the bag down. Okay, go. Go.
Okay, you have to hold my hand,
Okay, hold you.
Okay guys, so today is our last and final day. I mean, yesterday was our last and final day. Today we are leaving back to Coimbatore. Overall, I had a lot of fun with my best friends. But I'd like to mention a few things. First of all, Pondicherry is like very hot for me. I'm not used to this kind of weather. And one major problem that I want to highlight is that there is like a lot of catcalling towards women in Pondicherry by the localites. Throughout the trip, we got catcalled so many times, and we saw other tourists and other women getting catcalled as well. Men will literally check you out openly and they're not scared of anything, and nobody does anything. Yeah, that is something that I would like to highlight, which is a major issue over here. Apart from that, the food was great and everything else was great. Locations are great, and yesterday a lot of things happened. Let me start. Okay, so yesterday we went to Sand Dunes Beach and all the water activities were over. Like, we reached at around 6:10 and the water activities were over by 6 o'clock. But we thought at least we could do slingshot, but no one was operating that as well, so we couldn't do that. And after that, we could not even get into the water because there were high tides. Then while going back to our room, one day petrol got over. Then a friend of ours went and got petrol, and then after that we had enough petrol to go to the petrol bunk and refill our tank. Yeah, and after that the helmet flew away and broke. So a lot of things like that happened, but I consider all of these experiences. I had a lot of fun overall. So yeah, our bus is at 10:30 a.m. and it's currently 9:28 and we are just having cup noodles for breakfast. We had a cup of coffee and tea in the morning when we went to watch the sunrise, but today the sun was not there because it was cloudy. Our 14-year-old selves would never believe this, that one day we'd actually take a trip on our own without our parents. And honestly, it was everything we dreamed of and more. Thanks for watching. Use this video as your sign to take that one girl's trip, because trust us, it's totally worth it.